Is this the best $59 you can spend on tech right now? This is the brand new JBL Go 5. It's smaller than my phone, but JBL claims it's louder and smarter than ever before. Today, we're unboxing it, testing that new Bluetooth 6 and seeing if that tiny driver can actually handle real bass. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the build. It still has that rugged recycled fabric feel we love, but it's slightly more refined. It feels then high quality. I picked this up for $59, which is a slight jump from the Go 4. But holding it in my hand, it feels worth every penny. And look at this ambient egg lighting strip on the top and bottom. It finally feels like a pro MIDI speaker. There are three massive upgrades here that you need to know about. First, USB-C loadless audio. This issue, the Go 5 has a built-in DAC. You can plug it directly into your device for high-res sound, no Bluetooth lag, no compression. Second, the power. We have gone from 4.2 watt to 4.8 watt. It doesn't sound like much, but in the speaker design, there's a 14% boost in output. Third, AirTouch pairing. If you have two of these, you just tap them together to create a stereo pair. It's like magic. JBL upgraded the rating to IP68. That means it's not just waterproof, it's completely dustproof and dropproof. Perfect for the beach or a hike. As you ask for the sound, the new Hammond acoustic tuning makes the vocals much crisper. It doesn't distort at 100% volume, which is usually the weakness of mini speakers. So, would you buy it? If you're looking for the ultimate throw in your bag speaker for under $60, the JBL Go 5 is the clear winner for 2026. The battery life is solid at 10 hours with playtime boost, and the tech inside is future-proof. What do you think of the new lighting? Is it a gimmick or a win? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gadget reviews. I'll see you in the next one.